A very good afternoon to everybody. So today I come with the message of the day. Let's see what's the message. Lean on God and the angels for support. Dear God and angels, I give you this now and completely. I give you this now and completely. I step out of the way and allow divine miracles to shine through everyone and everything involved. So this is a card of now leaving it on God, and actually with trust and with faith leaving it. You go out of the way, you stop putting efforts and just leave the situation on God right now. So you don't have to take stress or worry about anything right now about the situation. Citrine, unnecessary worries. Release the burden of worries by giving them to God for healing and solution. So this is a similar card to what has come. So like, don't take unnecessary worries. Just leave it with the flow, leave it with the universe, leave it on God. Ruby, bless your heart. Reach out for emotional and spiritual support to heal and mend your heart. So this is a card for people who are going through a difficult phase right now. It can be in a relationship or career or money. Right now you need emotional help. Don't hesitate. Call up your friends, call up whomever you feel like. Take spiritual help or take a healing help from anyone. Whatever you feel like right now, take help. You need help right now. Don't hesitate at all. Take care of your health. In fact, do lifestyle changes. If you are feeling that you need to get spiritual right now, do get spiritual also. So this is the 3 angel cards that have come out right now. Lean on God for everything right now. Don't worry, don't take unnecessary worries. And if you are going through any mental issues or any emotional issues, do not hesitate to take help from your near and dear ones. Now this is the tarot reading which I've done. I've removed 1 and 2. It's a simple question that you ask. The tarot question is, ask any question for which the answer will be yes or no. You have to choose of any number 1 or 2. So I'm so sorry, there is some disturbance. So think of any question. You will get a positive or a negative reply. Either I'll say positive or negative. 1 and 2. Think of a question right now. Marriage, relationship, career, money, anything about anybody else you want to know. Think of the question. Think of a number 1 or 2. Think of a number 1 or 2. Okay, I'm sure you have thought. So if you have thought about number 1, okay, 1 is a positive card. Maybe with little time it will take, but things will materialize. A relationship, or maybe related to studies. And the second card is, if you've chosen number 2, it's showing little bit of struggle right now. So kind of be ready for the struggle or for little bit of hurdles coming. So this is a little difficult card. Difficult cards have come. 1 is showing more positive, 2 is showing like slightly struggle and difficulty. People who have messaged me, I would be replying to them after this video. And I recommend, I also tell there is a little bit of disturbance. I also recommend you guys, if you have any question, if you have any question, to please follow my page Soul Wave, and in the comment box write your question. So when I open my page, I have the questions right in front of me. And if you like this video, please share it also. As you are watching this video and you feel it's helping you, please do share the video on your WhatsApp or on your Facebook. I also have on YouTube my channel. It's by my personal name, Dimple Advani. Thank you so much, and any suggestions also please do write in the comments. Thank you so much.